Redox reaction exercise. So try all possible approaches to justify the following reactions or redox reactions. First is copper ऑक्साइड प्लस हाइड्रोजन गिव्स यू कॉपर H2। सो यहाँ पर +2 से ये ज़ीरो में आया और यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन जो है ज़ीरो से +1, तो ये रिड्यूस हुआ और -2 से और ये ज़ीरो से +1 ये ऑक्सीडाइज हुआ। सो ऑक्सीजन is removed from copper oxide, therefore it is reduced to copper, and oxygen is added to hydrogen to form H, therefore it is oxidized. So further oxidation number of copper decreases from +2 to in copper oxide to 0 in copper, but that of hydrogen increases from 0 to +1 in H2. Therefore copper oxide is reduced to copper, but H2 is oxidized to H2, thus this is a redox reaction. इसी तरह से Fe2O3 plus TriCO. So here iron is oxidized, is reduced from +3 to 0, and copper is oxidized from +2 to +4, right? So that's why this is a redox reaction. Then 4BCl3 plus lithium aluminium hydride, तो सब में ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट फाइंड आउट करें। तो ये +1 +3 B2H6 +1 -3 So here oxidation number of boron decreases from +3 to -3, while that of hydrogen increases from -1 to +1. Therefore BCl is reduced while aluminium, this is oxidized. Further hydrogen is added to BCl3, but it is removed from lithium aluminium hydride. Therefore BCl3 is reduced while lithium aluminium oxide hydride is oxidized. Therefore it is a redox reaction. So here each potassium atom has lost 1 electron to form K positive, while F2 has gained 2 electrons to form 2 fluoride, and therefore K is oxidized while fluorine is reduced. Therefore it is a redox reaction. So here oxidation number of nitrogen increases from -3 to +2. While that of oxygen decreases from 0 to -2. Therefore ammonia is oxidized, oxygen is reduced. So further hydrogen has been removed from ammonia but added to O2. Therefore ammonia is oxidized while O2 is reduced. Therefore it is a redox reaction. So justify that this is a redox reaction. So यहाँ +1 -2, and from 0 so it's +1 -1, then it's +1 -2. So writing so oxidation number of fluorine decreases from 0 in fluorine to -1 here, and increases from 0 in fluorine to So this is in +1 oxidation state. So oxidation of fluorine decreases from 0 to -1 in HF and increases from 0 to +1 in HOF. Therefore fluorine is both reduced as well as oxidized. Therefore it is a redox reaction. More specifically, it is a disproportionation reaction.